So as a teacher, don't you want what your students to learn in your classroom to be memorable? For their experiences in there, for the learning of content and skills to not just go away after they take a test, but to stick with them forever. I'm always asking this question: if learning isn't memorable, is it actually learning? This is why as a teacher, I'm always trying to find new ways to teach my students, for them to learn the information and for it to be retained long after they leave my classroom. This is why I use project-based learning. It gives authenticity to the work students do. I still use many traditional methods to teach. Sometimes I have to do direct instruction. Sometimes I got to bust out an old worksheet or demonstrate something on a board and then have students practice it. But I'm always trying to find ways to make a good reason for them to do that, giving authenticity to the work that they do. This is what project-based learning is. It's not abandoning what you already do well. It's giving a strong reason for students to do it. And in the process, the brain does some funky, amazing things that makes the learning more memorable. This is why I'm so excited to hold a project-based learning workshop in November, just like 3 weeks away, where we're going to be talking all about how to do this project-based learning, how to plan projects, how to assess them, how to initiate them and get students excited about them, and then really how to manage them, how to get students to work successfully in groups and do authentic, meaningful projects where the subject matter, the content is still being covered, except now the learning's gonna stick. Now the content isn't going to go away after they take a test, but it's gonna be with them forever, as well as a bunch of memories of solving real problems that mattered to them. And let me also tell you, as a teacher, also as a college professor, I love doing these projects that I'm passionate about, that my students get to be passionate about. I can't imagine teaching in any other way. It makes me feel like every day that I do this type of work with students, I'm getting to have them learn how to make a difference. I'm teaching them how to develop skills that they will use throughout their entire lives. So if you are free on November 11th, I would love for you to join me here in Grand Rapids, Michigan, where we'll spend a whole day learning all about project-based learning and really how to make learning authentic, engaging, and memorable for your students, which in turn makes it pretty engaging and memorable for us, the teacher. Oh, and part of being at the workshop, you get a free lunch. You also get a free copy of my book, The Epic Classroom, that goes into all of the detail of what we're going to cover in the workshop. So follow this link right here if you are interested in joining me on November 11th in Grand Rapids, Michigan at the Epic Project-Based Learning Workshop. I can't wait to see you there.